ideas that time. That I attend this demonstration that time. Then I realized a lot of things. Then, okay, we have to do something. Then I will start and talk to my friends, my classmates, my young people, friends. Then talk. Okay, because that time, 1888. That time, most of them company belong to the government. No private company, very seldom. So, and most of them students just during the holiday, summer holiday and winter holiday, just go back to home, stay at home, sleeping, eating, waste of time. And I thought, why? We have to mobilize all the students, and during the holiday time, we mobilize the Uyghur students to the village. We have to educate the people, because 95% Uyghurs, more than 80% Uyghur is farmer. They cannot write and read, illiterate people. That's why, okay, we use this time, this opportunity, we educate the people, at least we teach alphabet, then people first should have to read something, and learn alphabet, then can start to read something, can understand what kind they right they have on the Chinese constitution and the autonomic law. Yes. Then I will talk. Then we will establish and students cultural science union at university. Within couple of months we have more than 1,500 members. Each month, each students pay 50 cent membership fee. It is a big money at that time. Then we will, during the summer holiday, we organize students voluntary sent to the village, and we trying to open cultural language course and something like some other course. And training of people, educated of people, and even most of them people don't understand what kinds of right, constitutional and autonomic rights they have. Then we explain them how. Look, according to the Chinese constitution, according to the autonomic law, Uyghur should have such kind of right. People, oh really? Because people don't know, Then we want to explain. Of course, Chinese government was not very happy at that time, Then 1988, and I lead and big demonstration. 5th of July, then the second big Uyghur student demonstration was start. More than 10,000 students strike and went to the street. And this day, and high level Communist Party secretary and the Education Ministry of the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region and the finance